Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Voicebox, the open source voice synthesis studio. This project is exploding in popularity, gaining almost 500 stars today alone by putting the power of high-quality text-to-speech generation directly into developers' hands. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create custom AI voices without relying on proprietary services. What if you could have a state-of-the-art AI voice cloning studio right on your computer without sending a single byte of your data to the cloud? The promise of powerful text-to-speech usually comes with a catch: privacy trade-offs and expensive subscription fees. But one project is challenging that model, bringing the entire studio directly to your local machine. That project is called Voicebox. It's an open-source voice synthesis studio developed by jamiepine. Voicebox is designed as a free, local-first alternative to cloud services, offering a full suite of tools for generating and editing voices. And it's gaining serious traction. The project has already accumulated over 15,300 stars on GitHub, with nearly 500 of those added in just a single day. This kind of rapid growth clearly signals a strong demand for AI tools that are both powerful and private. So, what's the core problem Voicebox is trying to solve? It's our dependency on centralized, cloud-based voice synthesis platforms. Sure, these services are convenient, but they often come with expensive subscriptions. More importantly, they raise real concerns about data privacy, since you have to upload your voice and text data just to get them to work. Before Voicebox, developers and creators faced a tough choice: either pay for a closed ecosystem or try to piece together complex and often user-unfriendly open-source models. Voicebox offers a different path. It packages several powerful text-to-speech engines into a single polished desktop app that runs entirely offline. This approach guarantees complete user control and data security. Looking at the technical details, the architecture of Voicebox is a really clever fusion of technologies. For the desktop app, it avoids the common, resource-hungry Electron framework. Instead, it's built with Tauri. Tauri uses the Rust programming language to create a lightweight, high-performance native shell. This shell then talks to a local backend server built on FastAPI, a modern Python web framework. This hybrid design is very strategic. It uses Rust to deliver a snappy user interface while relying on Python's mature machine learning ecosystem to do the heavy lifting of voice synthesis. Another key technical highlight is its intelligent hardware acceleration. The system automatically figures out what kind of hardware you have. It then deploys the best possible inference engine for the job: MLX for Apple Silicon, CUDA for NVIDIA GPUs, and ROC for AMD hardware. This ensures you get the best performance no matter what platform you're on. And there's more. Voicebox was built with an API-first design. This means it's not just a standalone tool. It exposes a complete local REST API, which is a standard way for different applications to communicate. This transforms Voicebox into a powerful local development platform, ready to be integrated into any project that needs voice generation. So, who is this for in the real world? Well, Voicebox serves a really diverse audience. Content creators can use its multi-track editor to produce podcasts or video narrations with consistent, high-quality voices. Game developers can tap into the API to generate dynamic character dialogue right on the player's machine, which avoids both latency and cloud costs. And for application developers, it provides the foundation for building custom voice assistants or adding accessibility features to their software. Getting started is as simple as downloading the app. However, to get those fast generation speeds, you'll need a machine with a capable modern GPU. This does create a hardware barrier for some users. But for all its impressive capabilities, the project isn't without its challenges. Because it relies on a complex stack of Python libraries and hardware-specific drivers, installation can be fragile. This is especially true on Windows and Linux systems. This is the classic problem of dependency hell, and it's the trade-off you make for local control instead of cloud simplicity. What's more, while there is a CPU fallback option, The performance on machines without a dedicated GPU might be too slow for practical use. This could create a mismatch with what users are expecting. The project's stability is also linked to the multiple upstream models it uses, making it vulnerable to their separate maintenance schedules. In the end, Voicebox represents a significant step toward democratizing advanced AI tools. By bundling cutting-edge voice synthesis into a private, local-first package, it gives creators and developers incredible power without forcing them to compromise on ownership or security. This makes it a critical project to watch for anyone interested in the future of decentralized AI applications.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.